It's officially the best time of the year, spooky season. So of course we're gonna do a Halloween slime challenge. I'm challenging all 3 creators to go to Spirit Halloween on a slime shopping spree. They're gonna be tasked to find a costume and make the perfect slime for it. The winner is gonna win a bunch of candy.
I love candy!
And the loser is gonna have to be a sad clown for the next 24 hours. So without further ado, let's head over to Spirit Halloween.
Sandwiches!
Guys, welcome to Spirit Halloween. You'll have 30 minutes to find your costumes and your ingredients for your slime decorations. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, here's the thing with Halloween. You can either go the funny route or sexy route. Oh la la. I kind of like this one.
All right, so I gotta find a costume and I have to find my slime decoration. What should I be? I feel like Andrea would like this.
Whenever I was like 12 years old, I was trying to watch Nickelodeon and then Chucky got turned on the TV. I didn't know how to switch the channel because I couldn't find the remote. And so I ended up watching like 20 minutes of Chucky and it gave me nightmares for like a whole week straight. I hate this thing. I can't watch horror movies. I can't do any of that stuff.
Oh wait, these are scary. I really liked Halloween because me and my friends in high school would do something called trick or treat so kids can eat and collect canned foods. We go around neighborhood door to door. So I never really got to wear costumes much. I was always just in my volunteering clothes.
I would do this one, but I would need somebody else to be the chip. Doodle Bob is so good. I really like Doodle Bob. Wait, do I need this?
Oh my God.
Ooh, it does move.
Oh boy. No. Patrick, SpongeBob, Mermaid Man. Oh, here we go. No. Dude, this was the exact costume that I wore whenever I went on my first and only trick-or-treat session. It was just an alien with a little like glow stick thing like this, except it was green. I still have it, and I tried wearing it like 2 years ago. It doesn't fit, but that's besides the point. It's still there.
My best Halloween costume ever though was in 2nd grade. I was a lamp. I wore all gray and then I had a lampshade on my head and I cut out the eyes so I could see. It was awesome. It was a hit.
What? What the heck? I think Andrew was trying to scare me, but he failed. You know what? What if I try to scare Andrew? I'll show him how it's done.
Ooh, okay, now we're in the good section. This is like classic Halloween. I want to be a scarecrow.
I can't find anything that I'm looking for. All of this is way too complicated because if you look at what slimes I've made in the past, I can't do any of this stuff, man. Like, I have an idea, but we gotta go like right now. We gotta go, come on. And honestly, that place kind of freaked me out. So the next best place, Walmart.
Honestly, I think Plankton's kind of cool. I could do Plankton with a bucket, like the chum bucket. I think this might be what I'm going for.
I could make a field, like the slime is green and then there's a scarecrow on top. Okay, I'm ready. I'm gonna have to do a lot of crafting, but I think I got this.
There's only one thing that I can actually make into a slime, a ghost. And I think we just made it in time. And I wonder what everyone else did too.
So now that we're back from Spirit Halloween, you guys will have 30 minutes to dress up in your costumes and make a slime for your costumes before I will come in and judge them. So without further ado, 3, 2, 1, happy Halloween! Woohoo!
Alrighty, I got the best costume ever. Our favorite villain, Plankton.
I got a sheet. Here's the thinking though. This is gonna take 0 time to both put on and set up and prep. Them two, they gotta put their costume on. They gotta then figure out how they're gonna make the slime. It's gonna be difficult. I just need a white slime.
Let's go ahead and do a scarecrow face. So I think I need some lines and like an orange nose.
Oh man, it's gonna be toasty in this. Oh, I cannot see. Should I cut a little snip here?
I think I need eyeballs here and here, something like that. I'm now just realizing, how do you puncture the fabric? Be careful with scissors whenever you do this. I guess I just pierce it. Oh, that worked a lot better than I thought it would. I don't even think I need to cut a hole. I think I just, oh, that's a big hole. I hope that's okay.
All right, this is looking cool. I'm gonna add a little black actually onto here.
This works so well. Ooh. Okay, I need to make a slime. We don't have a lot of time.
All right, it's time to get the chum bucket ready for business. Our bases are all here. We're gonna grab clear slime.
You're going with clear slime?
Oh, Andrew, what in the costume?
Clear slime actually is a really good idea. I think I'm gonna do the same exact thing. Hope you don't mind if I copy you.
Can you carry that for me?
Oh my, carry my camera.
I've got a strong ghost carrying my slime.
Okay, they're both like making their slimes and I'm just coloring in my crow nose.
Oh, this bucket's so big. This is so much slime. I'm gonna have to color. Try a mint green and a forest green. I think these two should make the same color as me.
I can't see. This is becoming a problem. I think I'm gonna turn into a one-eyed ghost. I need a bigger eye hole. Ah, there we go. That's still.
I look pretty cool. I think it's time to make some slime.
Time to put in some forest green. She a beauty.
Just need some of the white dye just so that's, I mean, I guess I could have just got it thick and glossy, but the white dye with the clear slime adds more of like a texture to it. It also makes it stickier. If you mix in the white dye correctly, it makes it look more milky white instead of like a true solid white.
This is great. I am loving how this looks. It's very chum, very bucket.
So I really don't need a ton of slime because I think we're just presenting them in a small cup. Like that's literally enough slime, I think. I think I want to make the scarecrow look like me on the slime. I think that'll be fun.
Ghosts are traditionally white. White slime into cup, and then all we gotta do is we'll add 2 black dots on the center, right? Those are your eyeballs. And then we're gonna make a tiny little clay ghost to stick on top, and our slime will be perfect.
Let's go in with this forest green color. So this part is the easy part. The hard part is gonna be making a clay scarecrow. But I'm gonna try really hard because I never win the challenges. I never win. Kristie always wins.
We're going to add in our beautiful eyeballs. Ooh, spooky. I just hang them on the outside for right now. This is kind of cute.
It's starting to run out of time, and the only thing I've done for my slime is
Oh my gosh, you don't even look like a ghost, Andrew. That's terrifying. Your eye holes are way too big.
perfect. That means the ghost costume is working.
This is kind of like a little figure bag. I think it's a blind box. Ooh, what are we gonna get? Okay, I want Mrs. Puff. I think she's underrated. And what do we have? What's Squidward?
I'm gonna put my slime off to the side. I don't need that now. I have all of my lovely clays here to make a scarecrow.
I'm just gonna take a small bit of the slime. I'm gonna split it in 2, and we're gonna dye these 2 bits black so that those turn into our eyeballs. Bam! Black diamond. Okay, just the tiniest of drop because this dye is extremely potent and I can't see. Oh, I think that was enough. Must mix carefully so I don't do exactly what I just did. Oh no. Can you help so I can see? There you go. This is the new ghost costume. We'll fix it later. I need to, why is it purple? This is turning into such a disaster. This was supposed to be an easy thing with an easy costume.
10 minutes left.
10 minutes left?
10 minutes left.
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, this is what happens every single challenge. I just take my sweet time because I get so into whatever I'm creating and then I have to rush.
Are you telling me that I've spent 20 minutes to make a white slime?
That's your ghost slime. That's all it should be.
Oh, it's such a fail.
Just give up already.
I can fix it, Hannah.
10 minutes left. You're gonna have to be the scary clown.
With the power of 2 black dots. Look, watch, ready? Dot, dot, bam, ghost.
Oh my gosh, it's shaped like a coffin. It has a whole skeleton and a coffin on the outside.
Okay, since we have just a few extra minutes, I'm gonna try and take the lightest color of the clays, try to dye it white with the dye, I guess it's purple, and then try to dye it black so we can make a ghost. I need the tiniest drop. That's it, that's all I need.
Come on, no, he keeps breaking. I need like toothpicks or something.
I added white dye to this. Where did the white dye go? It's not dyeing white. Is that not how white dye works? How does white work? How does color work? How art?
Put that there. Okay, that is pretty much almost done.
Let's go find some charms with our last little bit of time. Okay, what will work? Oh, fish. We've got fish.
I couldn't make the eyeballs black, so the closest that we're gonna have is like a deep purple.
1 minute left.
Oh, I needed more time. It's not good.
Kristie's still going? Kristie, how are you still being creative?
Our last touch. Wow.
5,
This was such
4,
a disaster.
3, 2,
bro.
1. Time's up, hands up. No more slime making. All right, Kristie, what do we have going on here? Okay.
Oh, too much smoke, too
It
much smoke.
smells.
I think I have a pretty beautiful chum bucket slime. So since it's Halloween themed, the chum bucket is now a cauldron filled with little fish because we are underwater.
Under the sea.
We're under the sea.
Well, I love the commitment to the plankton costume and the chum bucket themed slime with the official spatula too. Looks great. I will say though, if it is a chum bucket slime, the chum in the show is more of a red raw meat sort of thing.
We have a Halloween special.
Yeah, it's green chum, I guess. But since it's the chum bucket, you're gonna lose points for not being
Okay,
more accurate.
Dan, go on to the next slime. You're gonna complain. I think this one is a 10 out of 10, maybe even an 11 out of 10.
All right, Hannah, what do you got?
Well, first of all, this is Jimmy.
Oh, hey, Jimmy.
And second of all, it's the friendly scarecrow. It's me.
Actually, you did a pretty good job. Like the shirt is like the same color.
We're twins.
The green eyes, the green dye.
Yeah, I did green eyes, green dye.
And the blue pants. And look, he's got little sticks like he's out in the field.
Yeah, exactly. exactly.
Overall, I like it.
Thank you.
Lastly, Andrew, who I can clearly see your face there, sir. This ghost costume isn't really hiding your identity that well. Is there any reason why you didn't buy anything in Spirit Halloween?
You see, 1, Halloween, scary, don't like the place. 2, it's very hard to recreate things, as you can see with the extreme effort with the slime that is presented in front of you.
Just a plain white slime.
Look at the ghost guy.
I love the Pac-Man ghost. That's a nice touch. I do like it. Okay, so after all the struggle through Spirit Halloween to now your slime making and your costume applications here, Plankton doing a little dance, I think I've finally come to a final decision. First things first, Andrew is disqualified because he did not shop in Spirit Halloween, and honestly, with the costume and the boring slime, he wasn't gonna win either way.
I tried.
Exorcism.
Yeah, exorcism.
So that leaves us with Kristie's Chum Bucket slime and the Scarecrow duo with Mini-Me down here. I'm gonna have to declare that Hanna is the victor with her Mini-Me Scarecrow slime because it's just so adorable. It's so cute.
Yay!
I think this slime over here was just doing a bit too much, which means Hanna, these are your bags of candy. You win Halloween. And Andrew, good luck being a sad clown, buddy. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!